Okay, we're cleaning another trailer house. We have a room in the back that has the same carpet, but it's so dark I'm not going to try to video back there. And this is the living room. We've already pre-sprayed the bedroom. We're going to start back here. I'm going to try to video as much of it as I can. There's a red streak here along the bottom of the window, but it looks like a furniture transfer from probably a nightstand or something, and it got wet underneath, so that may not come out. But we'll just see here in a second what we get. These carpets are pretty old. And we're doing with another sculpted carpet. I think the walls are full of spray foam and everything, and it's kind of breaking up as it gets near the walls.
Yeah, something's funny with it.
But Dylan, this job is because the electric's going to be shut off in a day or two. They're trying to get these things done pretty quick, so they haven't really cleaned this place up and vacuumed real good yet. So
they have some, but
they have a little bit, but it's going to have to be re-vacuumed after the carpets are dry.
you will now.
And this is a rental mobile home. It's not a owner deal. So this could be rented back out. Now the carpet's getting fluffed back up again.
Yeah, they're coming up.
Yeah, with the color of this carpet, I'm not sure what you're going to be able to see. It has some stuff in it, but mostly it just needs cleaning. It's not a lot of bad stains or anything. Now with carpets that are thick like this, This low moisture cleaning is a definite plus because these carpets, if you get them wet, they'll stay wet for a long time.
Hours. They can run all night.
Yeah. So this is a good method for this type of carpet, especially because you remember for these mobile homes we're dealing with plywood or particle board subfloors, and you don't want to get those wet where they take a while to dry because you can ruin the flooring.
Okay, I'm gonna touch the spray in another room and stuff.
All right, I'm gonna pause here. We're gonna go and start another room, and I'll put the camera back on. All right, we're gonna do the living room now. He went ahead and did the other bedroom in between. The first bedroom we did is almost dry already, so that's good.
They all dry in around an hour or less. Truth is, we don't care if they take 2 or 3 hours to dry. They just don't take that long. We don't mind long drying times. We never have. But it so happens they dry fast, so.
There was some, looked like axle grease or something in the carpet in a couple spots.
There was.
Yeah, that spot that just foamed up a little bit is where some of it was.
That spot that foamed up a little bit, somebody probably put something in that spot to try to clean it a long time ago, and we just foamed it up.
We got a red stain here.
We may try to take it out with a clothes iron, maybe.
Let's see how it comes out. They aren't too concerned with the red stains. We just like to get them if we can. If we could put an iron on it for a few seconds to take care of it.
You can only take them out in about 20, 30 seconds, so.
Yeah, you got to be careful. You don't want to start taking dye out of the carpet. It's a really old red stain. A lot of the really old ones, you're not going to get them out.
Yeah, they're real well at home.
There's a real dark spot right here.
And the red stain's not coming out with bonnet cleaning, so if we do take it out, we're going to iron it.
Yeah, it came out. A lot of things on these videos, you can see things on the video camera can pick up things that the human eye doesn't see. And so a lot of times you may see something that's on the camera, but we only clean what we can see with our own eyes. So if you see a little bit of something else, it looks good to our eyes, or we wouldn't move on to another section. So. See, there's a spot there that's kind of bleached out a little bit, right here. That's probably where someone had something that they spilled, a red stain or something. They tried to get it up with something. And when carpets are this old, they've probably been, all sorts of stuff's happened to them. I'll just work on that. I'll show you this other room. We didn't show the cleaning of it because it was so dark. At least kind of see what it looks like a little bit. It's a fairly good sized room. This carpet in here, which the lighter stuff here, if you can see it, that's because of UV damage because of the bright sunlight. That's going to make a carpet you can never make it blend back in again.
come grab that cable and pick it up?
Just a second here.
I got it all around. It'll be just
I'm
for a
just going
second.
to try to take it towards you.
Just pick it up.
No, go like that.
Yeah. Drop it this time. Alrighty then.
Alright, we'll probably have to hit that with an iron. But other than that, the carpet's done. Look at this one more time. This one's basically dry now, so it looks a lot better. If you start the video over, you can see how dirty they looked when we started.
Shazam.
So that's it. So
Okay,
next,
let me put the machine up and then we'll work on the red stain last.
I'll pause it and then I'll show you one last look. We may not be able to budge that red stain, but we'll try. But we'll give it a shot and let you see what it looks like. Alright, we're using the iron to do a heat transfer on the red stain. It is coming out some. We may not be able to get it 100% because you don't want to do it to the point that you start pulling the dye out of the carpet.
When you come in here and let you know it's here, you won't see
Yeah,
it.
you'd have to stand right over and look down and you're like, hey, a red stain.
Now when you're doing these, the best thing is put the rag on it with the iron for 30-40 seconds. Don't go no 2 or 3 minutes.
No.
You will mess something up.
And stop.
You'll melt the carpet.
You may not be able to get it
Yowza.
100%. Okay.
That's as much
That's
as
where the
we're
red
gonna go.
stain was.
It's a little bit of, there's anything in there. We're
There's
gonna
just a faint hint.
spray some peroxide on it and walk away and let the peroxide get at it overnight. It'll come out.
This isn't drugstore peroxide that you buy over the counter that we're talking about, so
No, it's the real McCoy.
that stuff won't really help you with anything.
But that's red stain removal.
Okay, we
Yes.
basically finished this
You ever
one.
seen that done before?
So,
You really can't.
and this
see it.
carpet's dry. That carpet will be dry soon.
Peroxide on it.
So, hope you enjoyed that. Till next time, thanks for watching.